Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. From last week, I basically try call Ministry of Health because I would assume that they are responsible for the mosquitoes them in a Portmore. As you can see, I cannot driving. I get a number, then run around, give me another number for call somewhere in a St. Catherine and all over the place and make me a call. So anyways, we finally get to the Mayor Portmore number, Mayor Lee Thomas. And him say him live at Portmore as well. And the mosquito them a kill him. Him request for it to be done and still nothing. Like, and when they do come and fog the areas in Portmore, they like fog, say for instance, them fog Waterford now. And them now go fog a neighboring community till probably in the next 2 weeks time when the mosquito them done migrate to another community. So it that not really help it. It relieve the community, yes, but them just need for just do the whole area and done because the recent rain in Portmore and thing, call the mosquito them hang me, I swear. At the first I see mosquito them come down so much and thing. Like right now 2 days in the car right so one of them almost crash because you know if you see a mosquito if you try to find it out we are killed or whatever. And at that happened almost a while ago. So like them put them mosquito in a Portmore, them get them deadly. And the Ministry of Health or whoever responsible for like kinda fogging them thing and kinda just do something. I understand so like you know, we as people for like get rid of the breeding site and thing like for instance, anywhere water build up but in my yard nothing at the end will catch water and thing. You understand? When they cut the grass a week and so ago because the recent rain it kinda grew up back right now. So I just wait for see if any more rain come before I kind of cut it again. But we need some relief from the mosquito in a Portmore. You see people are bust up, you see them a fan and a clap and all kind of something. You understand? So mosquito are hanging with a Portmore, I swear. Swear to you. They can't on the outside now. When time 5 o'clock come, see must tell you then I can. When time 5 o'clock done, see a fire that the brother they are a light. Right? There's a fire him a light. Him a work on him car and a fire him a for light for kinda get a relief. So I don't know, Ministry of Health need to do something. At least try to just fog the ear to get a little relief, you know what I mean? Cause trust me, them out like vampires. And right now, I come out of the car right now. I pay a mosquito to bite me. And I tell you. Oh, big up sharing it. Them now not spraying in the sun here. No spraying like for the past 2 weeks or more, the mosquito them are angry over here. I see no fogging when you have still a bite them find ways to come into the house. I swear to you. Anyways, you know, big up on yourself and thing. You know, pray for we with the mosquito you were angry and thing. I made a visit to Edgewater recently and the mosquito then that greeted me. Them big black and heavy shake my hand, blow with breath and them wouldn't move. A true man, them nah move at all. Them nah move. Them they are clearing them, but them the one them with the over here is a different breed, John Jr. Master them with the over here is a different breed. Like, I guarantee you, say, as we come out of the car, Mosquitoe got picture of it. So the one, yeah? Right there in the car. See? So them big. This is how big the Mosquitoe them be. The one that we almost make crash a while ago. Now I come out of the car and I guarantee you, say as I come out of the car, you see at least dozen pitch from my foot. See? Let me tell you about them, man. Bumbo plot, man. Yo, man, come here and go into the house, because as I tell you, say, the Mosquitoe are hanging Mosquitoe. Look.
Viewers and subscribers, it seems to me like the whole mosquito problem rising at Portmore again. It's always have a little issue with mosquito problems, you know. You see me? And I know Portmore have problem with mosquito, but you have a time when the mosquito them rise up over Portmore in a way where people just, it's unbearable to many. You see me I say? I can remember like more than 10 years ago, right? This is my history, me I tell you, when me go see, cause I first me ever see mosquito in them way there. To be honest, me I tell you straight up and down. Me say viewers and subscribers, me see mosquito make black patch on people, shirt, people's skin. See, remember over the 10 years ago when me used to work at Portmore, me over them place there work, me I tell them I have to strap up wicked. During the days, it can go on during the days, you know, because during the days it's not so bad. But it's when it touch night, it come like this, it's like a swarm. It's like a plague. Viewers and subscribers, I saw it this day, you know. See? Now, me hear them complain, but to me, in them days, they come like it well worse to me. But maybe at the area with me there, because at the time, Portmore Pines, they have some bag of water, settle, you know, around the roundabout part of Portmore Pines. There's me some water used to settle there before. See? And the you know the thing when they swat with mosquito pie, that never up, you know me, that never popular certain ways. Me not gonna say it never the in, but that never the about where a man have it in every house like how that they know, you see. Viewers and subscribers, I believe say this water is the problem. The settling of the water over there is the problem to me. I believe say is the drainage and them thing they want clean, you see it? Yeah. Because you can hear the man in the video say he might try to contact certain necessary people to deal with these things. You get me? Like for defog the place or what they call it. You understand? Where you know the car or the van or whatever drive around and let go this bag of smoke. But that only is a temporary fix. So really and truly that I believe so them need to find those gullies and those trenches where have those bag of second waters and clean it up. You see me? And I know some people are gonna look and say, yo, are the same people them fault too, you know. People are gonna say that, no. People are gonna say, yo, are them same one that you the throw garbage in the trench and them same one, but at the same time, blaming people now go fix the thing, you know. And you have to remember that it's a health hazard, because even though it there Portmore affect Portmore, what affects Portmore affects the whole entire Jamaica eventually, because disease outbreak is something was spread. You get what I said to you? So nobody blame nobody and say other person there or whatsoever or them should dumb gully that now go fix anything. It is coming like the road where they out to Ferry Police Station where they so. Anytime rainfall, two sides of the road water cycle them place there. You ever notice that? Anytime rainfall enough, you see me? Those two sides of the road water cycle. And me look at those things and I say, them place there, you know, we breed mosquito. You know what I say, because the water cycle them place there. You see me? I start think all kind of things, viewers and subscribers, because remember now, a solution we are trying to find out, we are trying to understand what could cause these mosquitoes to be breeding like this. And you know me notice too, not until you hear say some life loss or some life threatening or some disease outbreak or something gone wrong, that is when the necessary authorities them decide to start pay attention to these kind of things, viewers and subscribers. You see, there's something that is breeding the mosquito within the Portmore area, but is to find out how or what or where. You see? And that's the question I'm going to ask viewers and subscribers. What could be the cause of so many mosquitoes, you know, breeding up within Portmore areas? You see me, what could have caused so many mosquitoes breeding up in Portmore areas? And as well, what do you think we as Jamaicans can do to prevent something like this? You get what I say to you? Are them things that I like for you. We need to start fix the country. You see me, and look out for one another. Alright? You don't know my name Dancehall. I'm going to keep you up to date and post it and tell you what I think about certain things. And at the same time, I like to hear your opinion on certain things. You understand? Yeah. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.